How to add stickers to WhatsApp. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily add stickers to WhatsApp. So first thing what you can do is simply head over to your gallery, and from inside your gallery choose any of your photos. And let's say I want this t-shirt to be as this t-shirt object to be as an sticker. So what I can do is simply long press on this and click on this three dot icon and save it as an image. So what it does is it basically creates an stickers like an object of this t-shirt. So let me just show you. As you can see, now it's been saved with removed background after I saved it as an image. So now to send it as an sticker on your WhatsApp, what you can do is simply head over to your WhatsApp and choose any of your random chat, preferred chat, and you can simply click on this sticker icon over here. And as you can see, there's the option to create. Once you scroll here, this box icon, and there's the option to create. Simply click on it and just select the image which you just created using your image as an object, sticker object. Simply click on this and simply click on send. And as you can see, now you have successfully created your own sticker, and that's exactly how you can add a sticker to WhatsApp and send it as many times as you want. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.